What's up, guys? It's your girl Chuchi, and I'm here to show you this baby hair scarf. So really, it's from Janet Collection Melt, and it's a bang lace scarf. They call it bang lace. The inside the packaging, it just shows you like how to use it or whatever. So basically, it tells you to know put your hair in like whatever style you're gonna put it in, so it can be underneath the scarf. So that's what I'm doing. This is like a super old sew-in. I just went ahead and put it in a ponytail, and I took it out the packaging, and I'm just basically trying to see what's up with it, place it on my head, whatever. So basically, it's really long, and if I was really to go like super in on this and like customize it, to me I would have cut the ear tabs, but just for the sake of the video, I just went ahead and just cut the lace off regularly. I didn't like super customize the lace or anything. I just went ahead and just cut the lace off. And to me, this was like the most aggravating part of the whole quote unquote install of the baby hair scarf. So yeah, after we pretty much got that off, it was time to get it cracking. I put it back on my head. As you can see, like it kind of passes my ears a little bit, but I was like, we gonna make it do what it do. So at this point, I'm just, you see where I'm holding it, like right there at the tips. I would have cut that, but I was like, you know what, let's just finesse it and put it on top of my ears, because that's what you would do with a scarf anyway. So I was just having a little time putting the baby hair scarf on. So I just decided to, you know what, let me get into it and just tie this baby down like if I was really about to tie my hair down. So after I did that, I'm like, okay, we got it on. It's cool, and it is looking like a bang. I was thinking of doing a bang at first because it says bang, but I was like, sweetie, this is too thin for a bang. So we just went ahead and did the baby hairs. So for me, I like dramatic baby hairs, and I feel like the best way to get the baby hairs, dramatic baby hairs with the super curly ends, is if you cut it a little bit like I'm showing you here, and then you take a pencil flat iron. I didn't have my pencil flat iron with me, so I just used this 1/2 inch flat iron, and I just went ahead and just curled it up. Now I feel like I would have had my pencil flat iron, sweetie. Yeah, it would have really gave the girls curl. But we know we had to do what we had to do, so I just went ahead and curl everything up. And I didn't spray anything on my lace or anything. The only thing that you will see me use in a little bit is some edge control. So yeah, just take your time and curl up everything. Curl it up, curl it up, curl it up. And after you do that, excuse me, you will be able to curl your edges with the baby hair like brush method. So I went ahead and used Edge Booster. And as you can see, I'm just working it in, and then me already curling it, it just gave that swoop, it just lets it go in the motion that you want it to go in. One time for my braider, Laisha, she taught me how to do my edges. She's the baby hair queen. So yeah, she basically taught me how to do it when I got my hair done a few weeks ago, and ever since then I've been baby hairing it up. So as you can see, just just take your time, follow the swoop, and just bring it up, and try not to get too much product on your baby hair edges. I feel like that's the main thing people be like messing up. You don't need a lot of product, especially after you curled it, because the hair gonna curl because you already curled it. Okay, so don't be putting too much product. Just basically put it just a little bit at the root, like how you saw I just did, and then just curl it. And you just want to use it enough so that basically it'll lay down, to your head or whatever. So yeah, after I lay this little piece down right here, I'm pretty much done. I really like the end result of this. I feel like it's a cute, like to go style, or like if your hair messed up, you need to go to the store, like you in between hairstyles, or shoot, you just don't feel like doing your damn hair. You just throw you on your baby hair scarf. And if you want to purchase this, you can get it from mybeautyexchange.com. I got mine from there, and I used the code XOFF10 for 10% off. And yeah, y'all make sure to go and grab you one of these super cute, easy to style things. I will see you guys on the next video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe.